In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Planoly account, whether you're streamlining your social media management tools, or you've just decided that Planoly doesn't quite meet your needs. Deleting an account you no longer wish to use is a smart move. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the procedure before moving on to the next. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to your Planoly account, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Planoly's main page. This is your starting point. Head over to the official Planoly website, which is a central hub for all their social media planning and management tools. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options. But for now, let's focus on getting you logged in. On the Planoly homepage, you'll find the login option. Hover over the login button, which should be fairly easy to spot. This will prepare you to access your account with your login credentials. Next up, select Social Planner from the options given. This will direct you to the specific part of Planoly designed for social media planning, where you'll be able to manage your posts, analyze performance, and more importantly, access your account settings. Now it's time to log in. Fill up the login information with your username and password. Remember, accuracy here is crucial to ensure you can proceed smoothly. Once your details are correctly entered, click Login to access your account. Upon successfully logging in, proceed to the Planoly Social Content Planner. This section of the website allows for detailed planning and scheduling of your social media content, a core service offered by Planoly. However, our focus today is to navigate towards account deletion. In the lower left corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile icon. Click on this to bring up additional settings and options related to your account. This is where you can typically find any settings related to personal information, billing, and account preferences. Within the options that appear, click on Settings. This will take you to a deeper layer of account settings where you can manage more specific details regarding your Planoly account. As you scroll down the settings page, you'll eventually find the Delete Account option. It's important to take a moment here to ensure you really want to proceed. Deleting your account is a permanent action. All your data, scheduled posts, and history with Planoly will be irrevocably removed. If you're certain you want to continue, click on Delete Account. This action will prompt you for confirmation. It's Planoly's way of asking, are you sure? Because once you confirm this action, there's no going back. Take this moment to reflect on your decision. If your mind is made up, confirm the deletion. After you've followed through with these steps, your Planoly account will be successfully deleted. Remember, this process is irreversible. All your data and content associated with this account will be gone for good. While it might seem like a lot at first, each step in this process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Deleting your Planoly account should take only a few minutes from start to finish, provided you follow along with these instructions. Before I wrap up, here's a quick tip. Before you delete your account, consider exporting or saving any valuable data you might want to keep. Once your account is deleted, recovering this information will not be possible. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to delete your Planoly account. Whether you're simplifying your social media tools or making a change in how you manage your digital presence, we hope this guide has helped you achieve your goal with ease. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.